biggest skincare mistakes that you can avoid. Mistake number 1. Picking your acne and popping your pimples. So when you pop your pimple, you are forming a wound, you are forming a scab on your skin. And sometimes these wounds and these scabs can take very long to heal. What can you do to avoid it? I'm going to recommend some products that you can use to prevent acne and acne scars on your skin. And these are some of the products that you can use. The second biggest skincare mistake that you can make is to not moisturize properly. Other than washing your face, doing your skincare, moisturization is the most important step that you can do in your skincare routine. So what does moisturization do for your skin? It makes your skin youthful, it makes your skin more plump, it makes your skin glowing. And the best part about making your skin youthful is that it delays signs of premature aging. Yes, that's a real thing. My recommendation would be to use our B5 water-based moisturizer in the morning and use our C2 cream-based moisturizer at night. The third biggest skincare mistake that you can make is to overdo your skincare. One very simple mistake that we make when we start a skincare is to introduce a lot of products very quickly to your skin. When you overdo your skin is not able to breathe, it needs a break, it is constantly doing something for you, and that's when you have the most chances to break your skincare barrier. And guys, learn from me, I have done it and I had completely destroyed my skin barrier. Introduce a good routine for your skin, but don't overdo it. The fourth biggest mistake that we have all made is to not remove your makeup at night. I know you get lazy, I know sometimes it's really hard to come home tired, get out of bed, do your skincare, but guys, it is absolutely essential. Leaving makeup on your skin overnight can clog your pores, it can cause acne, it isn't gonna let your skin breathe, your skin is gonna form blackheads, whiteheads, and whatnot. The best thing that you can do for your skin is to give it a nice canvas at night, an empty canvas, and put all your skincare on it, and do not leave your makeup on. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know in the comments if you'd like me to talk about something specific. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends so they are able to avoid the same mistakes that you might be making.